Hi, if I can give you a secret formula to change your life instantly, how it will be? Keep watching this video because I'm going to share many secrets in this video. Today's topic is again the secret formula to manifest anything using law of attraction, part 9. And again, this is a series on mastering law of attraction. If you are new to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and also press the bell symbol so that you get constant updates, and also follow all my other social media links which has been given below. And again, today I have taken the topic on the power of now. It is not what you were and what you will become in the future. It is what are you doing now matters a lot, because that is what is going to change your life. Many live in the dream world, wishing and hoping something will change in the future. Hope is good, but what are you doing today, now? Or some people are living in the past experiences, the insults, the criticisms, the challenges what they went through, and they're crying. Or some people just boast about, yes, I was so and so, that was my lifestyle, but that is not going to change your life. Past experiences are good, but what are you doing now matters a lot. Because whatever you want to become starts with now. You should be like a warrior in the war field. Some decisions has to be taken fast, and yes, some need to be planned. But your mind should be like a warrior. I already mentioned this in many of my videos. The quality of your life depends on the quality of the questions what you ask. Okay, so it could be like this. Okay, I'm going through some challenges. Why I'm going through these challenges? Why this problem for me? Why I'm stuck like this? Why and why? The other question, what should I do to change it? What next? Both are questions. But the why question of asking why it happened brings you negative. In fact, it's a negative energy which pulls you down. But the other question, what next, or what should be done, takes you to the next level, and your mind gives an answer for it. So again, as I keep saying, the questions what you ask decides the quality of your life. What kind of questions are you asking yourself? When I was working in the government organization for 14 years, it was a safe and comfortable position. But somewhere I felt I can achieve more. And I was not happy with the lifestyle. And in fact, many of my colleagues who are also working with me were not happy with that lifestyle. But I decided to quit, but they remained there. And just because the decision what I took that day changed my life completely. And I was not afraid of the new life, because for 14 years it was a safe and secured life. And I was not aware, I was not knowing what is going to happen in the future. But I was very confident that everything is going to change. It's because end of the day, it's me. So the decision what you take now changes your life. So what are you doing now? In fact, I coach a lot of people. And many people come with a lot of challenges, and some people are almost on the verge of quitting or verge of committing suicide. The only thing which I ask them is, what should you do now? What should you do now? Past is past. We can't change the past. But what should you do now? I don't actually give them a solution. In fact, they give the solution. That's a beauty, because we don't ask the questions. When you ask the right questions, your mind will give an answer. And everything is within you. As I keep saying, don't cry with your problem. In fact, Nick Joyce, many would have seen his videos. A person born with no arms and no legs. He didn't cry or he didn't curse God, saying that why I was born like that. But instead of that, he started asking, what should I do now? And he is one of the costly speakers in the world. There are many people who have challenges like Nick Joyce, maybe financially, mentally, physically. When you're going through challenges, when you keep on crying with your problem, many people will feel pity about it. But can you earn the respect there? So question is, do you want to earn respect or pity? Put your comments. When you know that you are the creator of your life, every decision what you take is going to decide your future, and you will act now. When you know the power of now, every moment, every time matters. People don't waste time. People who are serious about their life will not waste time into unnecessary things, watching unnecessary things. Because every moment, every second is precious for them. So your time is precious. Ask yourself, am I happy with this life? Or what should I do to change it? As I keep saying, when you keep on asking, the mind will communicate to the universe and the universe will respond to you. Caution, there is no shortcut to success. It's a process. There's a process. Again, as I keep saying, this particular program is completely online, and if you need my help anywhere, I'm there to help you out. As I keep saying, this particular program is completely online, and you can be in any part of the world, you can reach me out. My numbers are flashing here. Please do call me again if you are serious to make a difference in your life. Also put your comments so that will give a feedback to us. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.